Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, I started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Instagram post on different niches. So guys, you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can also sell this service to your local clients, or you can just simply go to google.com and search websites according to your niche and ask them that you can maintain their service sorry you can maintain their Instagram presence and charge them. They will hire you, and this is a good amount of money they will pay you. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create inspirational quotes post in Instagram in Canva for Instagram. So let's get started. And I'm going to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software online. You mm, you can create stunning graphics from Canva, and you don't need to be an expert graphic designer, or you don't need to be an experienced graphic designer to create visuals in Canva do it all for you. You just have to start it. So I click on create a design, and here I search Instagram. I choose Instagram post square, which size is 1080 by 1080. It is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed, so just wait for some seconds to load. So I do not use any template. I create an Instagram post from scratch. So first of all, I want to take quote, inspirational quote from Google, and I click this website, and let's see some quotes, inspirational quotes. When you have a dream, you got to grab it and never let it go. I love this quote, so I click on this and Control C, copy. And but we have to check the color used for that represents inspiration. So I use color for inspiration. Yellow color is used for inspiration, so go for yellow. And let's go to Canva and change the background color, and here I write yellow, choose this one, and I paste the quote here. And let's change the font. Yeah, this font is great. I experiment for different colors, but I think black is good. After that, as I say, must credit the author. It is an ethical practice. So Control V and decrease the size of the author and place it here. It's look great. After that, I add a piece of text here for website. You must have website for the, because website is make authority for your Instagram page or post. So after that, www dot like inspiration.com. This is a dummy text, a dummy website, but this is just for learning purpose. Now I want to change the text font, so I change the font and it's look good. After that, the last thing, we have to add one relatable icon or element. So I write here inspiration, and let's see what we got. So I think this one is good, so I choose this one, and let's see. Yeah, it's good. I have to adjust, so that's good. So guys, as you can see, in 2 to 3 minutes we created an Instagram post. So guys, this is the last video of this Instagram post design in Canva course. And guys, in case you don't know about anything about Canva, go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube and go to playlist section, and here is a playlist. I uploaded different courses on my YouTube channel, premium courses, and you can search for the playlist which is called Canva designing course. After watching this playlist, you can know everything about Canva, each and everything almost. So, and let's start a new course. After this video, I start a new course which I will tell you in community tab or in another video. So our this course is end, so this is the last video, so that's it. So guys, if you like the course, if you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Guys, one request, please, if you watch the video, please like the video, because Instagram, when you like the video, YouTube algorithm boosts the video to the like-minded people. It assumes that people are liking the video, so must share it, must like it. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.